So hi, how you doing? I'm Jashin Kapani, the founder CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. Bhai kya amazing greenery, isn't it? I mean, I've totally loved it. I've taken a nice walk here and a stroll here, and people are saying it's warm and hot and stuff, but it's always a good idea to soak up some sun. Very good for your health and stuff. But this greenery, it's so enchanting, and the whole area has got lanes with lots and lots of flora, fauna, plants, and of course some strays and stuff, and of course people I know. So when I walk here, I'm acquainted with most of them, so it's like a on the street adventure or a fun time for me. It's really friendly out here. So it's all started with having conversations during Corona and after Corona with people. So why am I showing you this? So this is a green area. Suddenly, I feel refreshed with my car parked here. But the point is, if you take a note, they've got a great idea here of installing long bamboo, because the wall is concrete. Yeah, and they've covered it in a neutral sand color or a earthy color, and then they've got this concept of bamboo all across the gate, starting from here, the boundary walls, to the back of this. So there are lots of advantages of this. So we are now talking, and we are pretty informed that climate is a big concern for the country. India is on number 6, I believe, for pollution and stuff. So there are lots and lots of lots of challenges before people. But what can we do? We can't just sit around here and blame the media, blame the press for presenting it to us. But we can actually get together and do something about it, and probably assist and work along with responsible people, spread awareness, and by blaming, by playing victim, by playing small, by pointing fingers, or only by exposing, things don't change. Things improve and impacts happen when people take action. So for a number of years, I think maybe a decade or so, I've been a part of lots of chats on entrepreneurship and youth forums and stuff, where we are bringing up this concern. And I remember a few Japanese and Korean companies, they receive awards because they've come with this idea of working along with India and the government and other people on in private as well, to set up factories which are going to be recycling or working on eradicating or doing away with waste and stuff, right? And they're going to make products out of those, or whatever they do. That's a separate thing altogether. But the point is, हमारे ऐसे लोग क्या कर सकते हैं अब? This is one idea. So whenever you're doing your hobbies, or whenever you're getting your gardeners to work, or whenever you're designing a house, or whenever you're kind of looking at improvising a building or a campus or something, or maybe a studio area or an IT building or a mall or something, try and include ideas at the very onset and stuff. So I had been sharing this, that maybe we need to have a mandate where we have including greenery as a necessary element when we are doing the landscaping or when we are constructing buildings. And look what Dubai is doing. Dubai already has a rule where I think 30% or 40%, check the figures please, because this is old news now. They made it a mandate and a rule that real estate must include greenery and stuff. So जब जनता खुद ना सीखे तो सिखाना पड़ता है, और जनता अगर अवेयर है और जागरूक है और इवॉल्व हो रही है और टाइम के साथ बदल रही है. And of course we've got like so many people working internationally on projects, and we are known for our design and contribution to architecture and to entrepreneurship and product development and stuff. So maybe a good idea would be to include greenery and work around it. The greener the area, the better it is. The cleaner the area, the better it is. The cooler the area, the better it is for animals and humans and stuff. So think about it, ponder on it,